next to a mic, Mr. Rivers, my apologies.
He wants to know if the witness can be released from her subpoena.
Ms. Lewis, any objection to releasing Dr. Peterson?
No, Your Honor.
Doctor, you are released. Thank you for your time. Detective, if you'd step in front of Brittany, we'll get you sworn in.
Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in the matter before the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, subject to the pains and penalties of perjury? Thank you. Have a seat.
Good morning, sir. If you could state your name and spell your last name, please.
Frank Root, R-O-O-T.
Where do you work?
Summit County Sheriff's Office.
How long have you worked there?
6 years.
And what's your assignment with the sheriff's office?
Investigations detective.
And as part of your role in this case, did you meet with Robert Josh Grossman?
Yes.
And during one of those times that you've met with him, did you collect a cell phone from him?
Yes.
Was that an iPhone 7?
Yes, I believe so.
When did you collect that phone from him?
May 26, 2023.
Once you collected that phone, was it booked into evidence?
Yes.
Was it later transferred to be downloaded, the contents?
Yes.
Okay. Those are all my questions for you. Thank you.
Ms. Nestor, any questions?
Mr.
Oh, Mr. Ramos, my
No, it's
apologies.
me. Not you. It's me. Can we approach for just a minute?
Sure. Are there any questions for Detective Root at this time?
Very briefly.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Detective Root. How are you?
Good morning, counsel. Good, thank you.
I want to just make sure I understand. The phone you recovered from Mr. Grossman, was it one phone?
No, there were 2 phones.
Okay. And what color were the phones?
One was black, one was white.
Did you recover both of them at the same time, or did you do 2 trips to get phones from him
No, I recovered 2 phones at that time.
together?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that the first time you'd ever met Mr. Grossman?
No, it was not.
All right, so you knew it to be Mr. Grossman because you had met him before.
Yes, ma'am.
And the way you had met him before is interviewing him?
Correct.
I can't go into the interview? Okay.
Not right now.
We're going to talk about that at another time.
Yes, ma'am.
At some point, were you ever asked to return the phones to Mr. Grossman?
I was.
All right. And then were you ever asked to go back and get them again?
I was.
So how many times total did you pick up phones, deliver them for review, take them back, pick them up, take them back? How many times did you do that?
I transported phones multiple times.
More than 2?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you give Mr. Grossman a reason why you had to keep coming back and getting his phones over and over and over again?
Yeah, I think we're beyond the scope at this point.
No, why don't you just ask him if he had a reason?
Did you have a reason for why you kept going back to get his phones, take them, bring them back, take them, bring them back?
I was instructed to retrieve them by my chain of command.
So you don't know the reason?
No, ma'am.
Right. And in those periods of time, in between when you'd pick up the phone, take it to the station, bring it back, pick it up, bring it back, in those in-between times, you don't know what he did with that phone, do you?
Can you be specific about the he?
Mr. Grossman, sorry. I'll try not to use a pronoun.
In one specific instance, Mr. Grossman had the phones. During that time, no, I do not know what he did with them.
Okay. Did he ever show you things on his phone when you were with him before you took them into your custody?
On those phones, no, they were not operable.
They were not operable.
Correct.
So you took inoperable phones from him.
Correct.
Did you ever take operable phones from him?
When I was instructed to get them back from Mr. Grossman, they were operable at that time.
And when you went to go visit him and look at his phone, did he show you anything on the phone?
On those phones, I don't recall.
Did he show you anything on any phone?
He has shown things on his current cell phone to me, but the phones in question, I don't recall him.
Did you compare his current phone to the, excuse me, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Oh, my apologies. I interrupted you. Let me hear the question first, and then Ms. Shervinack may have an objection.
Did you compare the current phone that he had to what was on that phone to the inoperable phones that ultimately became operable?
Pause for 1 second.
Your Honor, I do think we're beyond the scope now.
I agree. Sustained. Anything else about the two phones that Detective Root collected?
Did Mr. Grossman give you any reason why he believed the phones were inoperable?
Yes,
What was the reason he gave you?
he had broken them on accident.
Okay. Your Honor, we'll reserve the rest of our questioning for a later time, and we would ask that this witness not be released from his trial subpoena.
Understood. Detective, you're free to step down today. You may be called back in the future. We'll give you some notice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very good, sir. Ooh, yeah, watch out. Appropriate time to take a break, Ms. Shervinack?
Sure.
Okay, let's take a restroom break, folks. Thank you. Please rise for the jury. Mr. Bloodworth, Ms. Shervinack, who's on deck?
Janie Engtao?
Okay, that person present.
Yes.
Okay, if you would let them know to be ready to go at 10:45, court's in recess until 10:45.
All rise.
Very good, thank you.